Today I will discuss about the 8th class reasoning book, chapter number 11. So I will start. This is the 8th class book of mental ability or reasoning, named Brain Search Engine, a textbook of reasoning. So here you look all these chapters. Today I will discuss chapter number 11. Name of the chapter, Counting of Figures and Venn Diagram. Name of the chapter, Counting of Figures and Venn Diagram. In this chapter, two types of questions. Number 1, counting of figures. Number 2, this Venn diagram. Two types are here. Number 1, counting of figures, and number 2, Venn diagram. Types 1. In this type, a figure consisting of many different shapes is given. It is required to count the number of particular shape that is asked in the question. What mean of this type 1? मीन्स आपको कोई शेप गिवन होगा क्वेश्चन में, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, ट्रायंगल, एनीथिंग. आपको क्या करना है, उसमें काउंट करना है. नंबर ऑफ फिगर मीन्स कितने स्क्वायर हैं, कितने ट्रायंगल हैं, ये काउंट करना है. टाइप 2 क्या है, इन दिस टाइप इट इज़ आस्क्ड टू फाइंड विच ऑफ द गिवन लॉजिकल वेन डायग्राम्स इन द ऑप्शन करेक्टली डिस्पाइट द रिलेशनशिप अमंग द गिवन एलिमेंट. व्हाट मीन्स गिवन एलिमेंट, जो भी गिवन एलिमेंट होंगे उसके बीच में रिलेशनशिप फाइंड करना है थ्रू दी वेन डायग्राम. वेन डायग्राम किस में गिवन होंगे, ऑप्शंस में. समटाइम्स इन अ क्वेश्चन अ लॉजिकल वेन डायग्राम इज गिवन. व्हाट मीन्स लॉजिकल वेन डायग्राम गिवन होगा क्वेश्चन में, एंड सम क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड बेस्ड ऑन दैट. मीन्स आपको क्या उसमें फाइंड करना है, एलिमेंट फाइंड करने. व्हाट इज वेन डायग्राम? वेन डायग्राम इज यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट मैथमेटिकली और लॉजिकली सीट पिक्टोरियली. मीन्स वेन डायग्राम को मेक करने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं, शेप्स यूज करते हैं, ग्राफिकली शेप्स. We usually use 2 or more circles यूज करते हैं, other geometrical shapes to draw a Venn diagram. Right? Understand? Now start with example number 1. Count the number of square in the given figure. We count the number of square in this figure. In this figure, how to count number of square? One trick for counting the square. Let this is a diagram. I only make inside part of this diagram look like that. Now start the counting. 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. Right here highest number in horizontal, 3 into highest number of vertical, 3 into 3. Now write -1 2 here, -1 2. Understand? Now -1 1 into 1. Now 0 into 0 0. Now multiply it. 3 3 जा 9, 2 2 जा 4, 1 बन जा 1. Add these 9 4 13, 13 1 14. Means inside this shape only this part, only this. How many triangle? 13. Not 13, 14 triangle. And outside one triangle is, one square is here. Inside of this shape number of square is 13 and one square is outside. How many square in this shape? Answer is 15 square in this shape. Option number D is the correct answer. Move to next question from the second type, means Venn diagram. Look at here. I am not taking too much time in this example, taking time in the exercise questions. Which of the following Venn diagram best illustrate the relationship among 3 cases? What elements? Truck, ships and goods. 3 elements. Find the relationship. Truck and ships both are the medium of transport which transport the goods. Truck and ships both transport the goods. So let's find the relationship. Here look the answer. Option number C. Truck, ships. We also transport the element from the truck and element from the what? Element from the ships. Element क्या है? Goods. So answer C is right. Move ahead. Example number 3 also from Venn diagram. Now we solve the exercise questions. Here we look the diagram and read the question number 1. Minimum number of straight lines required to the 2 from the given figure. What? Minimum number of straight line means how many straight lines in the given figure. हमको क्या काउंट करनी है? स्ट्रेट लाइंस काउंट करनी है. हाउ? कैसे काउंट करेंगे स्ट्रेट लाइन? फर्स्ट आप हमेशा माइंड में कीप करके रखिएगा हाउ टू काउंट. लाइंस कितने टाइप्स की होती हैं? हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस, वर्टिकल लाइन एंड थर्ड इज स्लिट लाइंस मीन्स झुकी हुई या तिरछी रेखाएं. स्टार्ट काउंटिंग. हाउ टू काउंट what? Horizontal line. 1 2 and middle 3 horizontal line. Now count 3. Now count vertical line. Start counting बच्चों, start counting vertical line. 1 2 and middle 3. Now 3 horizontal lines, 3 vertical lines. Now count the slit lines. means slit line means क्या बताया था अभी? slit lines means क्या होता है? slit line means तिरछी लाइंस. अब हमको क्या काउंट करना है? slit lines काउंट करनी है. now count the slit lines from blue color. 2 rectangle is here, 1 and 2. rectangle made by 4 lines. yes or not? here write 3. rectangle made by 4 lines. कितने ट्राइंगल हैं? तो 4 into 2 8 lines from both triangle and 1 2 3 and 4 plus 4. yes or not? and this also 2 lines. add these all 3 or 3 6 or 8 14 4 16 17 18 19 or 2 20. how many straight lines in this figure? 20. option number B is the correct answer. now move to next question. count the number of square in the given figure. क्या काउंट करने हैं हमको? number of square. for counting the square in this type of figure we can give the name. zoom it. yes, we can start from the give the name. how to give name? give the name of every point. here 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 and also here. कैसे पॉइंट्स देने हैं आपको? look from this image. yes or not? so अब क्या करना है आपको? इसको काउंट करने के बाद आपको देखना है हाउ मेनी शेप्स आर स्क्वायर. कितने शेप्स स्क्वायर बनेंगे? देन उनको काउंट करना है. एंड ऑल्सो काउंट दिस शेप. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ स्क्वायर. दिस ऑल्सो अ स्क्वायर. 1 shape is here and another 7 shape is inside the square. look for what is the right answer? option number D is the right answer. move to next question. how many triangle are there in the given figure? means हमको क्या काउंट करने हैं? we count the triangle in this figure. count triangle, number of triangle. how to count number of triangle from this figure? first you look here. how many triangle in this figure? 1 and 2 and 1 2 and this means 3 triangle in this figure. Done. means how to count triangle? look here. 1 2 3 4 5 but you don't count this triangle. for counting the triangle also use question number second trick. means give the points name. look here. yes or not? look here. now you start the counting triangle. use 3 point, don't repeat anyone. now you look in this. how many triangle is here? number of triangle is 10. yes or not? which answer is correct? which option number B is the correct answer? yes or not? understand or not? next move to question number 4. काउंट दी नंबर ऑफ सर्कल इन दी गिवन फिगर. क्या काउंट करना है बच्चों हमको? सर्कल्स काउंट करने. स्टार्ट काउंटिंग. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Easy question. How many circles in this figure? How many? 16. Means option A is the correct answer. Move to next question. How many squares and triangles are there in a given figure? Mean in this figure we count triangle and square both in the same figure. How to start the counting? Zoom this figure. Now start the counting. Firstly I count the what? Squares. This is a square, this is also a square, and this and this and this whole, and this whole is also a square. Means 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many square is here in one shape? 5 plus, look at here, this 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 here and 5 here. And 1 2 3 and 4. How? 5 5 10 4 14. Yes or not? And this 1, add plus 1, and this plus 1. How? 5 5 10 4 14 15 and 16. Yes or not? 5 5 10 14 16 plus 17. How many square in this shape? 17. Look at the options. Here first number is square and second is triangle. 17 only in option number D. So option number D is the correct answer. But we also count triangle. We find answer, but we also find the triangle in the given figure. So zoom it and start the counting. Look, 1 2 3 and 4. Also 1, this and this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes or not? How many is here? 8 triangle. Same as a inside. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes or not? Understand or not? If you not understand anything, comment in the comment section. Yes or not? I will understand. And also join my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel and find the query. I will also resolve this. So 8 and 8. Now erase this all. Now I will tell you in this figure how many triangle? 1 2 and 3. Here is how many triangle is here? 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 and 8. Yes or not? 8 and 8. 8 plus 8. Here 16 triangle. Also count. Now look, this shape, same this shape, all 4 corners. Yes or not? 1 2 3 and 4. 4 into 3 12. Yes or not? Plus in this shape. Yes or not? 1 2 3 and 4. 4 3 ja 12. Yes or not? Add this 12 12, 2 2 4 4 6 4 6 10 10 का 0 कैरी 4 4 1 5 1 4 6 2 2 4 और 6 10 10 का 0 कैरी 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. How many triangle in this given figure? Triangle number is 14. So option number D is the correct answer. 17 square and 14 triangle in given figure. 5 questions are completed.